Skyline English for Kuwait. Grade 3A, Student's Book. Unit 3, Lesson 1. Listen and tick true or false.
Good morning, Mom. My stomach hurts.
Oh dear. Let's go to the doctor.
Hello, Hamad. What is wrong?
I'm not feeling well. My stomach hurts.
What did you eat yesterday?
I ate cookies and drank fizzy drinks.
Fizzy drinks are unhealthy, Hamad. I'll give you some medicine to help you get better.
Thank you, doctor.
Eat healthy snacks like fresh fruit and vegetables. Drink 8 glasses of water. Stop drinking fizzy drinks.
Okay, doctor, I will. Thank you.